Hi, this is Luke Russell here with Trade Algo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at Trade Algo, our AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities with the most unusual signals of volume in these private exchanges, so you can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. And the same thing, of course, applies to the trending downside of the equation in the small, mid, and the large cap spaces alike. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation. I want you guys to see how STLD popped up on our system with a 300% increase in institutional bullish pressure. No surprises when the stock jumps over 7% as a result. At the very beginning of the day, the stock opened just shy of about 114 and then jumped all the way up to 122, which is a massive move for an options trader. And the reason our AI picked it up is because typically only $54 million of the stock is traded on a day-by-day average in the private exchanges that our AI tracks. Today it was over 170 million. Well, it's important to get access to that information early. You can see that STLD is identified at 8:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with 1.5 times the average amount of bullish volume that's normally there. If you had done transactions on STLD, let's say, for example, that you had done the $120 call option at the beginning of the day, and we're just going to use the 15-minute chart. For this example, options were about $2, and they maxed out at about $5.50, which is a 175% return. But look at this massive amount of time that you had to enter into this trade. The benefit of getting information early gives you a little bit more reaction time. Maybe you didn't even make a trade until 10 a.m. and you had a better spot price. That's almost a 240% return. Maybe you didn't even make a trade until 11:30 and you got out towards the end of the day, and that's still a triple-digit return. Right? The whole purpose and the whole point is to get the information down here as opposed to getting it over here or over here or over here. And there's many more examples. However, we only have time to run through maybe one or two more. So let's go ahead and go back to the trending upside of the equation. Let's show you NUE. There's a 334% increase in institutional bullish volume. Again, no surprises, the stock jumps nearly 6% as a result. What our AI is detecting is that typically only $84 million of the stock is traded on a day-by-day average. Today it was nearly $284 million, almost $200 million more than it would normally get. Our AI picks up on that signal at 9:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, when nearly 11.46 times the average amount of bullish volume is seen there. If you had done transactions on NUE, let's say you had done the $167.50 call option at the very beginning of the day, and right now we're looking at the 1-minute candle because our AI picked it up at 9:32. Options were 74 cents. At its absolute maximum today, that's about a 300% return. Maybe you didn't even get in the trade until maybe several minutes later, and maybe you got out at an early exit at a 100% return. Maybe you didn't get in the trade until nearly 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you got out at a bad exit after it retraced, and you still made a triple-digit return. Again, the whole point is to get the data down here. Now, to wrap things up with the examples here today, I want to show you guys PDD on the trending upside of our equation. You guys can see right in between STLD and NUE, 273% increase in institutional trending at volume. Stock makes a massive 6% move. And it's important to let the computers do the heavy lifting for you. PDD, 9:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1.62 times the average amount of bullish volume that's normally seen there. If you've done transactions on PDD, let's say it was the 105 call option, let's take a look at 9:42. Which would be in between these two candles right here. So let's say you got an average of about 37 cents. At its max, that's a 259% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at Trade Algo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.